Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to reset your Honda Pilot LX, EX, EXL, Touring, and then Elite model for all your life or your maintenance past due warning lights. First method is to press your engine start and stop button one time. And it should say to start engine, brake plus push. And then you're going to press second time. So your first time is in the accessory mode, okay? So if you press second time, and normally it will give you this warning, maintenance due soon, B16. And then to start engine, brake plus push. So you want to go ahead and then use your steering wheel, this up or down button. So if you press up, your display should change a different menu. So it says maintenance due soon, and then if I press up one more time, all your life, press one more time, you gotta press fast enough. Tire pressure, navigation, B trip, A trip, and then you gotta press again to all your life. And then you gotta press this button, press and hold it down until your screen says reset. So yeah, there you go. It's gonna take a while, and then you can use a up and down button to scroll up and down, and then to reset, you're gonna hit this reset button and hold it down. So since I'm going to teach you the second method, I'm going to go ahead and cancel it. So the second method is to use your touch screen, okay? And then right here, you want to hit the home button. Oops. Okay, once you hit the home button, you want to go and then go to your setting. You want to go to vehicle. You want to use the arrow down one more time. And then go to maintenance info. And it says maintenance reset, all your life, 15% left. B16. B stands for oil and filter. 1 is to tire rotation. 6, all-wheel drive oil. So if you want, after you change it, those stuff, you're going to press reset. So I'm going to bring to the mechanic and then let them do all this stuff. So I'm not going to mess with this so they don't miss those maintenance. Okay? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.